The P0335 code indicates a crankshaft position sensor A circuit fault, which generally means that the powertrain control module, ECM, is not receiving a signal from a sensor to determine the engine RPM and timing. Therefore, the engine code P0335 is set. Common symptoms of the P0335 code. Engine shuts off randomly once hot. Engine cranks but does not start, especially when hot. Check engine light is on, rough running or stalling. Common causes of the P0335 code. Failed crankshaft position sensor. The sensor has failed internally, wiring issues, frayed, broken, or corroded wiring in the sensor circuit, connector damage, loose or damaged connector tabs, reluctor ring or tone wheel, damaged or broken ring, which the sensor reads. Troubleshooting and repair steps. Step number 1. Check the wiring and connectors. If there is any damaged wire in the crankshaft sensor, be sure to check and repair it. Check if there is a loose connector in the crankshaft sensor wire connection. If there is a problem with the crankshaft sensor wire connector connection, the problem must be solved by repairing or replacing the connector. Step number 2. Clean replace CKP sensor. In many cases, the sensor is dirty with oil. The problem is solved by first cleaning the dirt from the sensor and installing the sensor. And if the problem is not solved after cleaning the sensor, then of course, replacing the old sensor and installing a new sensor will solve the problem. However, if the problem is not solved after cleaning the sensor, then replacing the old sensor and installing a new one will definitely solve the problem. Step number 3. Check timing components. A worn timing chain or belt can cause incorrect signals. Adjust the timing of the timing chain or belt. Replace the timing belt or chain. Check battery voltage. Low battery voltage can affect the sensor's performance. If the battery is the problem, be sure to replace it. Install new battery. The problem should be resolved. Scan for other codes. Check the camshaft sensor codes. They work together. If everything is okay, be sure to clear the fault code after repairing. Okay, done clearing all fault code. Now is no fault code.